Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my Time in Sandrock. The Mythic and there's the Sandstorm going on.
Skinny arms. No doubt you've noticed the countless granules of sand being mercilessly tossed about. This is what we in the business call a sandstorm. I'm here to inform you, as the protector of Sandrock, that you have no need to be afraid. We do recommend staying indoors until the sandstorm subsides, but in case you must go outside, the church has this free set of sand gear for you. Isn't it nice? These will help you move around in the sandstorm, but they sure as light won't help you much against the ravenous beasts that come out during the storms. And in case you're wondering why I am not wearing any sand gear, to an experienced hero such as myself, these raging sands are but a gentle massage on my chiseled jawline. Well, good chat, skinny arms. Try to remember everything I just said. I'd rather not repeat myself. I saw a crazy big wild yakmal wandering around on the way here, so I'm about to clean it up in a minute. Enjoy your gear!
Alright, let's get some sand gear on. Much better. From Matilda. This Sandstorm could not have come at a more inopportune time. I'm afraid we're going to have to postpone Mason's farewell party until weather improves. Please stand by until further notice. Glad to hear everything going swell. Maybe we were worried for nothing. Not part of a mother's job though, so I won't have to worry about you. Alright. Come, Percival. Let us continue what we started. We got a commission to complete. I was about to say, did nothing come out of that one? That should be enough. Go ahead and make the break. Ooh, look at that big thing. I'm not gonna let you have all the fun, Pen. Allow me to help out.
Hello. Aha!
I love our catchphrase. Serve water, go straight and to the point. There's no subtlety about it.
See ya.
Got some wood. Let's see, while I'm at it, I might as well build some of these things that I don't have. Grinder, for instance. Ooh, bearings. Bronze bars and bricks. That is something I want to look at real quick. to see about this. Well, I got time. Pet capture guide. Oh, all animals that can be captured will have a catchable icon on their head. Throw meatballs that the creature can capture it, and successfully hitting it with the bait will increase the capture progress value. The higher the level of the meatballs, the more the progress value is increased. When the progress value is full, the pet can be successfully captured. Is that so? The recycler has no fuel. Well, damn. What about you? How are you looking when it comes to fuel? There you go. Oh. Contraptions, huh? What? I forgot to do the thing. Okay, I'm looking for you. Oh! I now have a hot honey bumblebee, whatever. Bumbleland. Cool. Let me go ahead and dispatch you, I guess. Go explore. While I figure out how to get you a bed. And so that easy. Get that mechanical crap going now. Walking around. The introduction to the tumbleweed standard, blah blah blah. Let me see what that is. It's some type of vent or something. Oh, Nemo! What's up, Nemo? Get that and come around. this way, up here, down through here. So you see, I have misplaced my sword and shield. But after some thinking, I realized that maybe it's all for the best. I don't really like hurting people anyway.
Wow.
Nonsense. There's no higher pursuit than perfecting combat. Besides, we need all the help we can get in our crusade for justice. You need training, Burgess, I insist. Well, I mean, if you really think it'll help everyone. Good man. Ah, look who it is. Our resident builder. Who no doubt can forge you a new set of weapons. Isn't that grand, Burgess? Oh, goody.
Hello.
Salutation, builder. I've been teaching Burgess the art of the blade. Pretty cool of me, huh?
Aha.
Anyway, he's lost his training sword and shield. I was wondering if you could build him a new set. That's easy for you, right? Sure. Wonderful. Don't keep us waiting too long. You should be able to craft them on your work table. Whee! That's not too hard. Let's see, I need down. Alright, I got myself some dough. There's the wood sticks. Out of curiosity, am I able to craft? Need to figure out how to craft a pet bed. Maybe there's one in the maybe there's one in the Commerce Guild. Advanced fish trap. Nope. Nothing like that. Guess I'm gonna have to hunt around for it. Alright, let's go ahead and complete the commission. There's Miss Heidi.
Builder, please be careful in a sandstorm. No matter how strong the building, there's always a risk of destruction. And that's just property. The same goes thrice for us.
On a bar? Let's see what she can do. Especially in a sandstorm. Gotcha. Construction Junction. Burgett's Water Shop as well as Zeke Farm Store will sell seeds
Hey there.
once you have unlocked farming.
Reckon you got my letter? How's Mason's old shack treating you? If it's not quite what you were expecting, might be a high time to start upgrading. If you've got the goals and the materials, I can set you up with a new building for your workshop, or upgrade something you've already got. Just take a look at that catalog over there on my desk to see what we're working with. Oh, also, I've always got plenty of materials stored around here. If you ever want to trade some of yours for mine, just check out the Construction Junction shop. That's the gist of it. Here's to a happier home.
Alright, let's take a look at the catalog. Build your own home. Your home counts as anything inside your fence. You can expand your territory either by using the sign near your house or from the home customization interface. You can also increase the size of your house. The smallest amount of the house you can build is one 5x5 block in your yard. When selecting tile to build more of your house, goals required will be shown in the bottom left corner. If two rooms are connected, a door will automatically appear between them. If two floors are connected, they will automatically appear between them as well. If you want to change where doors or stairs are, you'll need to purchase a home editing toolkit. You can add more doors or windows wherever you like. Note each room needs at least one door. When you add a door or window outside, you'll be able to see it in the same place inside. Accessories come in two main categories: ceiling and walls. Ceiling accessories only been hung on the ceiling. Blah blah blah. Accessories can be rotated. The plate building or furniture can be operated when upon being selected. Interesting. Structures, assembly station, a chicken coop, or a stable, a sandfish pond. Showroom, you can go to the showroom. Yeah, let's get out of build mode. I'm more looking into expanding everything. Oh, look, the cutie. Can we upgrade his house? Can we? Alright, let's make our way back. See if we can't make 2 copper bars. The sand actually gathers up on things. That's interesting. Yeah, let's go ahead and expand it. There we go. Now we got a little bit more room to do things. Okay, the copper bars? Yeah, copper bars. Beat me up 2 real fast. Put you right there. All right. Let's see, what else should I do? Some stuff going on over here. Let's see what it is. Clean that up. Benny? Who Benny? Oh, he Benny. Ooh, more oregano. I think I'll talk to Vinny on a day when it's not snowstorming. Almost done. And there we go. Now all I gotta do is bring him a stone and shield. It's a little late though, so I think I'll bring it to him tomorrow. Go ahead and go to sleep. Oh, the honey barbecue bumble lamp came back. Then I'm gonna go ahead and end this one right here. Thank you everybody for watching, and I can't wait to see all of you in the next video. Bye bye now.